time for a new season of the News Hour.
Hey everyone, this is Ben. Welcome to Season 4 of the News Hour, Episode 40.
Welcome to Henry News Hour, Season 4. Know what I'm saying? Come tune in, man.
Hi, I'm SANIYA.
Hi, my name is PATXENG.
And we're doing a Black History Month spotlight on Dr. Macy Jemison. She was the first African American woman in space, and she graduated high school at the age of 16. She attended Stanford University, and she graduated with a Bachelor of Science and Arts.
She's a trained doctor, and she also served as a medical officer in the Peace Corps. She now runs a medical technology company called Biosentient Corp.
Hi, I'm Adriana, and I'm here with
Bobby.
Okay. Question that we have is, what are your plans after graduation?
To go to college, I guess.
And how are you liking semester 2 so far?
It's okay, I guess.
Is there something that you would like to change about your classes or anything?
No, not really. They're all great.
Okay. What's your name?
Mark Woods.
All right. And how is semester 2 going?
First week of semester 2 has been great to have students back, especially after the 2-week distance learning break. I think getting acclimated to just finding out where classes are and social life has been fun, but a bit overwhelming for some.
Okay. Are there any plans?
Yes, it's February, Black History Month. We have Valentine's Day. We have school dances, a lot of school support and activities going on, and hopefully after this month the warm-up will begin. So absolutely.
Okay. I'm here with
Sherrod.
Like, what content would you like to see?
Do a part 2 of Ghosted.
Okay, part 2. Hi, I'm here with
Drea.
And what's your least favorite or favorite class?
My favorite class, gym.
And what's your least favorite?
I don't really got a least favorite class. I like all my classes.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
No, I don't think I could be saying all that.
Is there something you'd like to change for semester 2?
I just gotta get my work in on time.
Is there something you're looking forward to in the spring?
I'm probably finna get me a hair shop. So y'all wanna get y'all hair done, y'all can come hit me up.
That's good. That's good.
This is Henry News Hour, and this is Tuzu, and we're here in the school clinic, and let's show you guys around. All right, this is the waiting room, and then this is where you get check in. And this is Miss Elizabeth, where she's gonna give us a good tour around. What does the school clinic provide?
Hello, family. Again, I'm Elizabeth here in the school-based clinic, the health educator, and we provide lots of services for you all to use, completely confidential and at no cost. So we provide physical health services, things like immunizations, COVID vaccines, and testing. We also provide mental health services. We have 2 awesome mental health therapists. We have a nutritionist here on Fridays. And then we also provide sexual and reproductive health services. So things like birth control, STI testing and treatment, condoms, things like that.
How can students make appointment for like the school clinic?
Yeah, so it's super easy. You just saw our waiting room. You just come up room 212. Kathy will be here waiting for you like she is now. If you're registered with the clinic, you've seen these before. If you're not, you'll get these in the clinic where you'll fill out and then bring them back to us.
All right. If you're like 18 or over, do you need your parent to sign, or can you sign it yourself?
That's a really good question. So if you're over 18, you consent for yourself, and so you just fill this out. If you're not 18 and you only want to receive services that are like services like birth control, STI testing, pregnancy tests, or get condoms from the clinic, you can consent for yourself and you don't need a parent consent. And you would just come to the clinic and fill this form out.
The last question, when do like the school clinic open?
The school clinic is open when you all are here. So we're open 7:30 to 3:30 Monday through Friday. And then we also offer summer hours, which hopefully we can think about summer warmth soon.
Well, thank you very much for this interview.
We need to speak to you.
Miss T.
Okay.
Congratulations, you have won Teacher of the Week.
Ah, yes there is. Oh, I love this. Thank you, thank you. Can I? Oh, what a blessing. Because she has done such a wonderful job with the staff bathroom. Oh, I needed this today. You guys don't even know. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, my family. I'm going to put this on my desk right now.
I'm just tell them where we at right now.
We in digital video, 6 hour. Doing a whole photo shoot for, what's going on.
Yo, your one and only. I just hope everybody come to school every day and stuff like that and get good grades. I'm not even just talking just to talk, bro. This is real life. But everybody just have a good day. Everybody have a blessed day. You know what I'm saying? I got work at 5. Make your bread.
What are you guys looking forward to in second semester? What are you looking forward to second semester, spring? Maybe it's prom, maybe it's graduation, maybe it's grad parties. Let me know.
Second semester, I'm looking forward to keeping good grades, keeping on my work up. I'm also looking forward to baseball and track, Hope we have a good season and all that. Prom, definitely looking forward for that. Yeah.
I just really hope everybody have a good semester and stuff like that. I'm really looking forward to. Bro, why are you that close to my face?